Hello and welcome back, everyone. So today we'll be discussing a relatively unknown perennial. It's a native of North America, has a host of benefits to our gardens, and that perennial is spotted bee balm. It's a perennial that's not very common in the nurseries, but you can find it. But if you can't find it, you can source the seed, and it's fairly easy to start from seed. Now, spotted bee balm likes a sunny position in dry and poor to average soil. I will say, in the poorer soil like I have here, it really shines. It does a good job. It's very, very happy here. There's good drainage here. It doesn't like to sit in the moisture. It likes a bit on the drier end. Now, spotted bee balm, like most bee balms, is a pollinator magnet. However, spotted bee balm seems to attract other pollinators that really help our garden compared to the other bee balms that are out there from what I've seen. Other bee balms, tons of bees, tons of butterflies, but the pollinator and predator that I see on this plant a lot is a great black wasp that is also widespread throughout North America. Now, the great black wasp, it's a solitary wasp, and what they do as adults, they feed on the nectar of plants. The wasps, the great black wasp, really love spotted bee balm. And what they do, they feed on the nectar, then they go out hunting in your garden to try to find the caterpillars, the aphids, to capture them and bring them back to feed their young in their little nests. Now, the great black wasps, don't worry about them. They typically don't sting. They typically just use that stinger to help paralyze their prey. So nothing to worry about in your garden, but a huge benefit to your garden, because then you're not spraying pesticides. There's more symbiotic relationship in your garden, natural pest control, if you will, with the great black wasps in your garden. But guess what? In order to get those predators, you have to have the right plants, and spotted bee balm is one of them. Because if there's any great black wasps around, they'll definitely come to this plant to feast on the nectar that this plant is so rich in. Now, some things I love about spotted bee balm personally. One, it likes dry areas. This is a tough area behind me to grow. Two, unlike other bee balms, the musky smell, it's not very strong. It's very light, so it's not overpowering. And one last thing I love about it is the flowers. It's tiny yellow and white flowers with black specks, surrounded by these beautiful purple bracts. It's really a showstopper. Kind of looks like a pineapple, but it's a fun plant to have. It's a fairly uncommon perennial to have, but a perennial with so many benefits for your gardens. So go ahead and consider it. Like I said, if you can source this plant, great. If you can't, it's fairly easy to start from seed. Well, that's it, everyone. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, bye-bye.